Finding the best 1100-watt microwave can feel confusing when you want fast heating, even cooking, and a size that fits real kitchens. The direct answer is this. The best 1100-watt microwave offers strong power for quick meals, better reheating, and consistent results without overcooking. From my own daily use, 1100 watts is the sweet spot for popcorn, leftovers, and frozen meals common in US homes. After testing and reviewing microwaves over time, I know what actually performs well beyond specs. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Farberware 1.3 cubic foot countertop microwave oven. This Farberware microwave feels made for real daily use. The 1100-watt fast heating stands out right away. Leftovers heat evenly, and frozen meals finish fast without cold spots. I like the 10 power levels because they give control instead of guessing. The one-touch cooking buttons are practical for popcorn nights and quick lunches. The 1.3 cubic foot size hits a sweet spot. It fits full dinner plates, but still works well in small US kitchens or offices. The multi-stage cooking is useful when defrosting and cooking in one go. I also appreciate the clear LED display, which is easy to read even in low light. Inside lighting helps check food without stopping the cycle. The child safety lock adds peace of mind for families. The only downside is the design is simple. Still, it's reliable, powerful, and easy to live with. Number 4. Emerson MWG1191SB 1.1 cubic foot microwave. This Emerson microwave is a great pick if you want more than basic reheating. The microwave grill combo is the real highlight. I used it to crisp pizza and brown casseroles, and the results felt closer to an oven than a standard microwave. The 1100-watt cooking power heats food fast and evenly, which matters on busy days. I also liked the 11 power levels, since they give better control for everything from soup to leftovers. The stainless steel body looks clean and modern, and it wipes down easily. The retro-style controls add personality and feel simple to use, even for first-time users. Presets cover everyday foods, and the smart defrost modes save time with frozen items. The only drawback is the grill takes practice. Still, for versatility and style, this microwave stands out. Number 3. Sharp Countertop Microwave Oven. This Sharp microwave feels made for real family use. The family size capacity stands out right away. The 1.4 cubic foot space handles dinner plates and big bowls with ease, which works well for busy US homes. I also like the 1100-watt power. Food heats fast and evenly, without cold spots. The carousel turntable helps a lot with leftovers and frozen meals. Everything cooks through without stopping to stir. Daily use is simple thanks to the plus 30-second start button. I tap it and move on. The sensor cook system adjusts heat automatically, so reheating pasta or soup feels stress-free. Defrosting is easy with the wait defrost mode, which saves time. The interior lighting looks clean and modern. One small downside is the controls feel basic. Still, for size, speed, and reliability, this microwave fits everyday family cooking very well. Number 2. Panasonic Microwave Oven. This Panasonic microwave feels like a smart upgrade for everyday cooking. The Genius sensor tech really makes a difference. It adjusts power as food cooks, so leftovers heat evenly without dry edges. I also appreciate the 1100-watt cooking power, which is ideal for quick meals in busy US households. It handles frozen dinners, rice, and pasta without long wait times. The smart auto cooking presets are useful on tired evenings. I just press a button and let it work. Another highlight is the compact counter size. It saves space, but still gives a roomy interior, which works well in apartments and family kitchens. Movie nights are better with the popcorn power levels, since bags pop more evenly. The keep warm mode is great when dinner timing gets messy. One drawback is the design feels simple. Still, for reliable heating and easy use, it's a dependable microwave. Number 1. Toshiba MLEM34P.SS Smart Countertop Microwave. This Toshiba microwave feels made for modern, busy kitchens. What I noticed first was the 1100-watt power, which heats leftovers fast and evenly without drying them out. In everyday US cooking, that power level is perfect for popcorn nights, frozen meals, and quick lunches. The hands-free Alexa feature is surprisingly useful. I can start or stop cooking while my hands are messy, which feels convenient during meal prep. I also like the humidity sensor. It adjusts power automatically, so rice and veggies come out better with less guesswork. For families, the two-step child lock adds peace of mind. The preset food menus work well for common foods like pizza and potatoes. One small detail I love is the mute beep option, especially for late nights. The downside is it needs a bit of counter space. Still, for smart features and strong performance, it's a reliable choice. Final verdict. If you want the best 1100-watt microwave, my top pick is the Toshiba MLEM34P.SS Smart Countertop Microwave. Its strong heating power and smart features like the humidity sensor and Alexa hands-free control make everyday cooking easier and more reliable. The two-step child lock and mute beep add peace of mind for families and shared spaces. For a specific use case, I recommend the Panasonic microwave oven. It's ideal if you want dependable sensor cooking and space-saving design without extra bells. The Genius sensor technology and auto presets take the guesswork out of reheating and frozen dinners, making it a solid choice for apartments or busy households. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the microwave oven that fits your style and kitchen best.